Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a brand new Marc Jacobs summer bag that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'll also be packing it for a day at Busch Gardens. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay friends, I picked this cutie up from Nordstrom. This is the Marc Jacobs Vanity bag and it's super cute. I had to pick it up. I know, but it is in the shade Prism Pink. Now this does come in other colors like black. I believe it comes in a different shade of pink, so something a little more fuchsia-ish. And it also has a red one, if I remember correctly. Oh my gosh, is that not the most adorable bag? So it has a really nice flat bottom, so it sets up nicely. Has this really cute top handle, which I'm in love with. And it looks like, yes, it has a removable strap, which is adjustable, which is great. So let's go ahead and unpackage this so we can see it a little bit more clearly. And even this is so cute for spring and also for summer. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, you guys. All right, let me get this strap. So here is the silver hardware. Let's go ahead and attach it to the top of this bag, just like that. So cute. As I said, it is removable, and as you can see here, it's adjustable. Really nice strap here. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. What do you guys think? So this little cutie retails for $228. The dimensions of the bag are 7¼ inches in the width of the bag. It is 5 inches in the height, and it is 2 3/4 inches deep. So really cute bag. Oh my gosh. All right, so it does have the silver hardware, which I love silver. Let's see what the inside looks like. And it is so pretty. I love this. That is so pretty, you guys. Okay, so it says Marc Jacobs. Look at the stitching. Stellar as always. Marc Jacobs does it right. He is absolutely fantastic when it comes to designing bags. They're super practical. I feel like they're incredibly affordable, which is what I love about his bags. And they're just so unique. You know, like he really has a unique flair for design and style. And I feel like everything just looks so beautiful, well thought out, and very useful, which I'm a huge fan of. So first off the bat, I will say this is a little bit hard to get into simply because there is no bend here. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and pack this cutie. We are headed to Busch Gardens Amusement Park, and I wanted something really cute and summery to take with me. I don't want to carry a lot, but I want something big enough to fit all the necessities. It is a long day. It can be hot. I feel like we're going early, so it's not too hot, but I definitely want to make sure that I have all my necessities to make life a little bit easier while we're out and about all day long. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my survival kit for amusement parks. We're gonna start with my cute little mesh bag that I picked up, I believe from Amazon. It's a super small little bag, but it holds all the things. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to take some wet ones. They're really nice for killing germs, and of course anytime you're touching all the rides and all the things, you're going to want to make sure that you have some antibacterial wipes. I'm also going to take some Dramamine and Claritin for myself and my kids. I'm going to take my contacts with me in case for some reason I lose one. It's always nice to make sure you're prepared. I'm going to take some gum because I like to freshen up a little bit. And I'm also going to take a Band-Aid in case any of us get a blister. I'm also going to take some Tums because I have learned the hard way that you need them when you go to an amusement park because you eat foods you don't normally eat. So it's nice to have versus go into one of the stores and buy, something like Tums for way more than you need to. So I have my little emergency kit here. If I have forgotten anything, please let me know down in the comments what I need to add to this little pouch here, and I will definitely do it and will appreciate the help. Sometimes you kind of forget that you need certain things, so let me know. So next I'm going to add my wallet because I'm going to need some cash, and I like to have my insurance card as well as a credit card for all the things. So that's going to go in there, and it's fitting in there with lots of room still, which I'm very excited about. Phone case, just so you can see that it fits. Most of the time I'll probably be carrying my phone for pictures, to be quite honest, but it is nice to be able to put it in here if I need to, if I get tired of carrying it, and then just use my Apple Watch for calls or whatever. So let me just organize this a bit. Let me kind of put that towards the front just so you can see a little better, just kind of what space is left. As I said, it's a little bit hard to get into, so keep that in mind. If you think that's going to annoy you, pass on this bag. I don't think it will annoy me. I don't get in and out of my bag a lot, and I feel like it is a wide enough opening that I can see what I need to see and grab it somewhat easily. So next I'm going to bring this cute little pouch by Coach. I think it's really, really cute, and I feel like it's the perfect size to fit in here. So let's load it up. I usually do take just a few makeup items to the amusement park. I take a little concealer and a little mini sponge. That's just to kind of freshen up. Throughout the day you get run down and a little bit haggard. At least I do. Here's a mascara. And I like to just run into the bathroom and freshen up. Sometimes the heat of the day just kind of takes a toll on you. And I don't know about you, but we take a ton of photos, family photos on vacation, and you just want to look cute in all the photos, not look like you're on your last leg, and that you're, melting and a big old train wreck. So I like to have just the bare minimum makeup just to kind of touch up throughout the day if I feel like I need to. It's not something I want to spend a lot of time on or take too much of, but I feel like I have the room in this bag, so why not? You do want to look cute and you want to feel good about yourself as well while you're, out and about doing all the things. So everything is fitting in here beautifully. So I'm excited. It has a lot of room. Marc Jacobs bags always surprise me at how much capacity they have. They're always like super cute and compact, but they just hold so much. So I'm really excited. This one is absolutely no different. So the next thing I want to take with me is my car key, which I'm just going to stick over here in the side. And then I'm also going to bring this little fan, which I feel like is so good to have. I have gone to parks without it and have always regretted it and missed it. It really does help cool you down when you are just dying. And I don't know about you, but my husband, he's on a mission to ride as many things as he possibly can in a very short amount of time. And so I'm always rushing after him, and I just get hot, trying to catch up, stay caught up. And so it's nice to have this throughout the day to just cool down and reset yourself. And it really is quite nice. Let's do it this way. Will that fit? Yes, it will. Okay, good. So now I have more room. Yes, I'm the master of making everything fit. All right, so what else do I actually need for this? Okay, so normally I would take just a powder for touch-up, and hopefully that will fit just down in here, and it does. And then I'm gonna want a hand sanitizer. This one smells heavenly. In fact, every time I open it up, either in the office or at my kids' school, everyone always asks what smells so good, and I'm always like, it's my hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna take this because it's small. Let me move my key. It fell down. So as you can see, this is, fitting in here like Tetris. You do not need to overpack your bag like I am. I think this is more just to show you exactly what I'm taking with me, but if this is annoying for you to have this much stuff, then just pack what you want. But I need to have all the things. This is my little emergency kit. My phone easily fits in here if I want to put it away and be hands-free for the rides. I love that my makeup fits in here. I have room for the extras, my sanitizer, my powder, which I can pull out easily instead of having to go through one of the pouches. Have my car keys and my wallet easily accessible. And then this, I can live without it. Truly, I can. I just don't want to. And you know what? I have room, so I'm not going to. I'm going to take it with me. And I just feel like this is awesome. Now, I will say in the past, I would always pack a little perfume just to kind of freshen up and, smell divine throughout the day. But I have learned the hard way that bees love perfume. And anytime I am out and about in nature with perfume on, I always regret having put it on. So I do not wear perfume on park days where I'm at an amusement park or I'm out and about in nature for the day, because I always live to regret it. But my deodorant usually does the job and I don't have to worry about feeling smelly at all or being stinky at all. So I have learned to leave the little perfumes at home and enjoy them in my purse for other occasions, but not when I'm at an amusement park. I hope you guys enjoyed what's in my amusement park bag. If I forgot something, please let me know. I normally will wear my sunglasses on my head so I don't lose them. And my husband will also take kind of a backpack, and I'll put sunscreen in his backpack because I don't want to lug it around. If the fan gets annoying to get things in and out of because it's just an extra item at the top, I might put that in his backpack. But if it's not, I'd rather keep it with me because sometimes he takes off with my son to ride things while my daughter and I do something else. And so it'd be nice to have with me the entire time. What do you guys think of this Marc Jacobs Vanity bag? It's super cute. I love this shade Prism Pink. Like I said, there are other shades available. I believe black, red, a different fuchsia, kind of like a really pretty pink. And I don't know, this is just the perfect little summer bag. It's so pretty. Kind of reminds me of like a pink milkshake, and I just love it for summer. I like that it's super structured. As with all Marc Jacobs bags, it's just a really cute, well thought out, and it holds so much. So I'm happy to have picked it up. I feel like it's a reasonable price point, $228. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of this over the summer. It's a really good size. It fits all the necessities, but it's really nice to just grab and go without taking, a giant bag with you to run errands or, meet a friend for lunch. You don't need to carry all the things, which is so nice. I am in love. I'm a huge fan of Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs knows how to do a bag right. I feel like everything is always super well done, very well thought out, and great quality for the price point. And I'm excited for this summer. You don't always want to take all the things to meet a friend for lunch or to take your kids to the park or spend a day trip out with the family. So this is really nice to just grab and go. It's a great everyday kind of errand bag, running your errands, running your kids here and there, but having all the necessities. So I'm really happy I picked this up. What do you guys think of this little cutie? Do you like it? Is it too small? Is it not your style? What do you think? I'd love to hear in the comments. Let me know what I forgot to pack for the amusement park. Like I said, my husband takes a backpack. I can add some more things. So I hope you guys have a wonderful summer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, and I'd love it so much if you would subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, friends.